everybody.
Hi guys.
Welcome to the truck once again.
We are on a road trip.
Going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky. Little
Sean in
Einstein.
Brooklyn. So we are headed to Chi-Town,
Chicago.
the Windy City.
I went one time in like 7th grade band, but this is my first time going with Brookie.
Yeah, I haven't been for years and years and years. Since I was like, I don't even know, 8, 7. We went to a Cubs game, and I just remember it being so fun, going to the pier. So we are really excited, making a short weekend out of it.
Yep, we got an Airbnb, little Airbnb we're going to stay in, so we'll have to show you guys that. And
yeah, it's our first time staying in an Airbnb.
we had to stop and get the essentials.
Coffee.
Starbucks is the first thing.
And what did we get? We changed it up today.
Yeah, we got an extra shot.
We got 3 shots.
Got a 5-hour trip. Get us there.
Yeah, and we haven't even drank these yet.
No.
We're like crazy, so.
We're just excited. Me and Brookie love a road trip.
Yeah, so we will catch up with you when the sun is not glaring in our eyes.
Right.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Here we are at another toll.
8.
Thank you.
Number 3, for real.
Take receipt.
But, oh my gosh. We
There you
just
go,
keep
ma'am.
on stopping.
You know what? I will say, though, their highways are beautiful.
They're much better than ours, aren't they? Okay, back on the road.
I really wanted to floor it, but there's a trooper back there, so I better not.
Okay, update everyone.
Yep.
We're almost to Chicago.
We can see the buildings, but traffic is a nightmare. People are just stupid.
Yeah, it's just not like the good old Iowa.
No.
Anyways, we've had a good trip so far. Sean has to urinate so bad.
Oh,
We've
urinate.
only stopped
gotta pee.
once. Yeah, he's gotta go potty. So, we're about in to town, and I have no idea what we're gonna do first, but we're just gonna go with the flow
That's right.
and explore.
Yep.
So, we'll catch up with you when we get there.
Bye-bye.
We made it!
Guys, this is crazy.
The traffic, the people,
I don't know if it's just because it's Chicago or because it's St. Patrick's Day, but
it is wild. And we're just absorbing it all.
taking it all in best we can.
Yes. How you doing?
Good, honey.
Good.
It's crazy.
It's
Still
so
crazy.
crazy. Welcome to our crib.
What do you think, bro?
It is so cool, you guys.
It's just so clean and simple.
Obsessed. Like, it's modern and so cool.
It is.
We have a view straight out to where we're parked and
Trucks out
street.
there.
And look at this kitchen. Like, how cool is this kitchen? They left us cute little cookies, and we've got coffee and just little cooking things. Like, this is so fun. I'm so glad we did this. Now then you go back here. Come on, come on. Bathroom. Nice shower. Everything is really clean. And then this is laundry if you were staying for an extended period. And then the bedroom. The bedroom is amazing. The ceilings in here,
I know they're huge.
they're
I
so
love it.
tall. And the bed is so comfy. Tempur-Pedic.
Yeah, that's right.
This worked out perfect.
Yeah, we love it.
I'm so excited. We're having such a good time so far. Guys,
You guys, this is crazy. Freaking St. Patrick's Day is in full effect.
Chicago on St. Patty's Day is nothing I've ever seen before.
This dude literally just fell out of this Uber and about met up with this pole right here.
He goes, "Oh my God, it's days, it's days out,"
What'd he say?
"Oh my God, it's daylight," or
Yeah.
something.
Like, dude, wow. You gotta figure it out.
But we're kind of cold. We
Yeah,
just got
it's a
done with
little bit
dinner. Sean picked. It was called Chicago Q.
Oh, it's
It's right
so
over
good.
here. I'll show you. It's super cute. It's right over there. Chicago Q.
what do you think?
It's amazing.
Tell us where we're at.
We are at Chicago Pew. It's a competition barbecue restaurant, and the food is amazing.
Sean got the
The little flight, it's like a
triple meats
pulled pork, pulled chicken, and brisket, and it is good.
to die for. We've got the sauces, mac.
It was so good, and now we're about to get in an Uber to go to the John Hancock building. So
Right here.
we're excited. We're about to go to the top of the John Hancock building.
That's right.
I'm kind of nervous.
Excited.
Kind of nervous, but it should be fun. We've been waiting for like an hour.
Oh, there it goes. Hi.
Now you can see us. So, it should be fun. It's probably dark by now.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that it's a really cool skyline. Everyone told us that this is
Like nighttime.
what we have to do. So, we'll see.